Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well today. Just out and about at the park playing with my kids, and wanted to make this video regarding for years I was struggling just like everyone else. I had my 9 to 5, right, but I wasn't doing 9 to 5. I was pretty much doing 9 to 7, 9 to 8. So that was like me working a lot of hours, and pretty much that gave me no time to spend with my kids, with my family, and which was like really disappointing. But despite of working so hard as a worker for someone else, right, and end of the month I was still short of funds. Like doing all this overtime, despite of working so hard, I just couldn't put the puzzles together, and always end of the month I was always short of funds, right? So I needed to find something which I can do on the side, and at the same time build something on the side which can run pretty much on autopilot, because I didn't have much hours in the day to do something. I didn't have option to even have a second job, because the job that I had, I was already working very long and hard hours. So I needed to find something else, and which can run on autopilot, which didn't take much of my time. I didn't have any technical knowledge, and reason I also chose online business because online business gives you time and freedom, and that's what I was looking for, right? Freedom to spend time with my kids. Like here's my kids playing at the park. So this is the opportunity that I found, and now I've been doing for a while, and also mentoring people all around the world do the same, right? So my question for you is, are you exactly in the same situation where I was a few years ago, right? If you're in the same situation, I can help you. You don't need to be a technical person. You don't need to have any experience in the online space, because all the step-by-step training, support, mentoring, coaching will all be provided. So if you're interested in knowing more about what business opportunity I have found, and it is also changing so many people's life all around the world. We have 150,000 people in the community who are actually just getting in the community and reaping the benefit and starting their own online business. So if you want to know more, I leave a link in the comment section and in the description. All you have to do, just go in that website, enter your name and your email address, and on the next page you can watch a free workshop which explains how this business model works and everything A to Z. Okay, so I'm really excited for you to find out about this opportunity. I've been searching for a while, and since I found this, I wanted to show you what this business model is doing for so many people all around the world, just like you. So again, I cannot wait to talk to you very soon, and my name is Sanjeev, and bye for now. Thank you.